welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a really fascinating look at food and culture.
Yeah, how they completely linked up.
Exactly. You shared some great material, specifically 3 discussions, exploring global cuisines, food culture and tradition, and food and identity.
Mm-hmm.
And our goal, well, it's pretty simple, right? We want to give folks a clear idea of how what we eat really reflects,
Our traditions, our values.
even who we are as people, sort of a shortcut to understanding these connections.
Exactly, yeah. Pulling out the key stuff from those discussions to show just how much our food says about us.
Okay, great. So let's dive right in. The first one, exploring global cuisines. It got me thinking about what kicks off that passion for food.
Right.
Chef Samantha Lee mentioned her early intro. Was it Asian and Mediterranean cuisine?
Yeah, that's right. And she talked about that amazing dining experience in Tokyo.
Oh, yeah. That sounded like more than just a meal, like a real eye-opener to what food can be.
Well, and what's interesting there is how, focusing on specific regions like Asian and Mediterranean food, that probably showed her really different ways of using ingredients, different techniques. Each one tells a story, right, about the history, the environment.
Right.
And that Tokyo meal, maybe it highlighted that precision, that artistry that could be just so deep in a food tradition.
That actually leads perfectly into the second discussion, the one with Dr. Sophia Patel.
A food anthropologist, yeah. Food culture and tradition.
Right. She really drove home that idea that food isn't just fuel, it's like a mirror.
A mirror, exactly.
Yeah.
Reflecting a society's history.
Its geography, its values, all of it. It's like a food map of a community.
Absolutely. Think about like rice in East Asia.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just something they eat a lot of.
Mm-hmm.
It reflects, centuries of farming, adapting to the land.
Right.
Dr. Patel's points really show that what people eat, how they cook it, when they share it, it tells you so much about who they are together.
Yeah. And speaking of sharing, Dr. Patel mentioned hospitality, especially in Asian cultures.
Yes, that's huge.
It's more than just, giving someone food. It's a real way to build bonds, show respect.
It's like a language, isn't it? A language spoken through food. Think about those elaborate tea ceremonies you see sometimes.
Right.
It's not just about the tea itself. It's a whole ritual. Respect, connection. It really underlines how food acts like social glue in a lot of places.
Okay, so then the final discussion, food and identity, with Jamie Chen, the food writer.
Mm-hmm. This gets more personal.
Yeah, this is where we really see that individual connection. Jamie talked about how food is just so deeply tied up with our own identity, our heritage,
Really?
how certain foods just hit you with memories, emotions, that feeling of belonging.
Yeah, that emotional side of food. It's not just taste, is it? It's like that Proust thing. A flavor takes you right back.
Right, to childhood or family history. It's like a real, tangible link to your past, a huge part of your own story.
Exactly. It really is.
Yeah. And Jamie's example, the grandmother's dumpling recipe.
Oh, yeah. That was a great example.
That really showed it perfectly. That one dish, it's not just instructions on paper.
No, it's alive. It's connection.
Connection to family meals, to culture passed down. You can literally taste the history.
Exactly. Dishes like that, they're like heirlooms you can eat, full of meaning, personal and cultural. They represent, continuity, tradition, identity.
So, stepping back, it's just so clear. Food is way more than survival.
Oh, absolutely.
It's this amazing lens, isn't it? For understanding cultures around the world, societal values.
Our own personal histories, yeah.
It really does give you this unique and pasty shortcut to understanding the human experience.
Well put. Flavorful shortcut. I like that.
So here's a final thought for everyone listening. Think about a dish that really means something special to you. What does that dish tell you about your own past, your traditions, about who you are?
What stories does your food tell?